Welcome to Cadence Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we're going to walk you through the installation of the Cadence License Manager in a Windows system. I am right here in my Downloads folder in my Windows system, and I have here a few elements that I'm going to need to get going with this installation. As you can see, I have my hotfix zip file, which is the file that you're going to need to install the Cadence License Manager. We have a video linked in the description that shows you everything you need to know about the Cadence Downloads page, which is where this particular file came from, and have already unzipped that particular file and is ready to go. I also have in here the license file that I received from Cadence, and we also have a video linked in the description that explains everything there is to know about that Cadence license file. So let's go ahead and get going with the installation of the Cadence License Manager in a Windows system. I'm going to click over there and basically enter this folder structure. You're going to find a folder called License Manager. I'm going to enter here. There's going to be another folder called Cadence License Manager, and your objective is to get to this particular file that is called setup.exe. So go ahead and double click on that one to get going with your installation. I'm going to say yes, I'm going to allow this app to make changes to my device so I can proceed with the installation. Keep in mind that this is done in real time, so you get an idea for how long it's going to take to install this. I'm going to go ahead and click Next after my welcome page. I'm going to take a look at the license agreement that I have in here. And once I have read these, I'm going to agree with my license agreement in order to proceed with this installation. You're going to be presented with this particular window right here. You can see the default installation directory is going to be the C and then Cadence and then License Manager. Of course, you can choose that particular directory if you want to do so with this change button over there. But I'm going to, in this case, accept the default location. Click Next. I'm going to install all my licensing tools. Then click Next. And I'm ready to click the Install button and then let the installation proceed. Once the installation proceeds, you're going to be presented with a window that is going to allow you to select your license file. My installation here is proceeding. This little pop-up window right here is recommending to restart my system after I actually completed my installation. I'm going to click OK. And here is the little window that allows you to look for your license file. So I'm going to click on the Browse button right there. And I'm going to go to my Downloads directory where I have that license file ready to go. Select it and click Open. I'm going to click Next, and right here you're going to be presented with this window where you can actually make a few changes. You can change the port number that the license server is going to be using, the port number that the vendor daemon is going to be using. Of course, you need to make sure that in both your server machine and client machine, these two ports are open through the firewall for in and out communication. You can change the name of your server, the host name of your server machine, and of course you can see right here you cannot edit the host ID of your particular machine. And of course, you can specify right here the location of your log files. Once you're fine with all this, you can click Next. And at this point, as you can see right here, your license server has all the information it needs and is at this point starting. Again, this is done in real time, so you can see how long it should take you to actually get this going. Once the server is actually started, you're going to get a little pop-up window indicating that everything has been done successfully. So let's go ahead and let this starting process continue. All right, after the process has finished, then my license server should actually be running. So it says right there that the license server has started successfully. And it also says in here, right, that line in there, it says that a new environment variable called cds_lic_file has been set up for you. This particular environment variable is very important because this is the information that Fidelity Pointwise is going to look for whenever it's actually trying to go and get a license in order to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and click Finish right there. And at this point, I have finished my installation. So I can go to my C Cadence drive. That was the default installation directory. And you can see that now the license manager folder is there. Once you're here, I want to show you one little tool that you have, which is called LMTools.exe. And you can use this particular tool to do a few things. I'm going to click yes to these. I'm again going to allow this app to make changes to my device. And you're going to be presented with this LMTools GUI interface. And you have a few things that you're going to find useful in here. For example, if I change to the start, stop, and reread tab, you're going to have options to start your server, stop the server, or to reread your license file in case you actually received a new license file and you want to update the one that you already have. You can check the status of your server right here. You can perform a status inquiry to make sure that everything is up and running. And of course, you can also perform different diagnostics. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.